Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's say you have a PDF spreadsheet that you need converted to a simple text file. While you might be able to do this on your computer, there is always the chance that you can corrupt the file. And finding online software to do it for you can be very expensive. Now, how can you fix this? By using DocTranslator. Our online software not only translates your files, but can compress, merge, split, resize, or convert them to fit better wherever you need them to. Here's how to convert your PDF to a text file using DocTranslator. In this video, the tool we are going to use is called DocTranslator. First, go to doctranslator.com. That's doctranslator.com. Here is our landing page. Once you're there, you can take a look at all the services we provide. Go ahead and sign up for a free account. Once you sign up, you can log in and proceed to the dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, find the PDF tab. Then, select the kind of conversion you want to make your file, and then follow the directions to get your converted document instantly. As you can see, it's fast, easy, and affordable to convert your files using DocTranslator. With translations only a 20th of a cent per word and free translations for documents under 1,000 words, it's easy to convert your documents to make them readable for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want to see more. Thanks again for watching.